ultra sneak peek design Workspace Manager inside of SolidWorks. Just a quick tour. We're all familiar with the BOM inside of SolidWorks. Sneak peek, Workspace Manager and Smart Sync right inside of SolidWorks. Keep your files all up to date. Know who's working on something else. Know what needs to be updated. Know what's up to date right inside of SolidWorks. That's going to be out in just a couple of days. And cherry on top, once you build a BOM out of OpenBOM, that BOM now has a link to design, and that links you straight back to the design project, right to the item in the design project, right to the dashboard. So here I am in the FL link design, and right to that item. And if I want to go drill down and investigate versions or any other information about that, I got it right here. I can drill down and start looking at all the versions for that particular file. So super sneak peek, still in QA. I'll be out later this week. Design, Workspace Manager, Smart Sync right inside of SolidWorks, and link to design right inside the BOM.